Hi, I'm Rick Bavec from Tolaris Homes. We're here in North Orlando, Seminole County, Florida. So excited for you to see what we've done on this framing job. We hand framed the entrance. Wait till you see this. This arch opening, amazing. When this home is completed, it's going to make a real statement for the owner. There'll be two double doors, 10 foot high, with about a 5-foot transom on top of it. So that entrance is just going to make a super statement. Also, what we're doing here, you can see this right here. These are the inspector pour zones that we had done before, if you notice, that were there earlier. And what that did is it showed all of the rebar from the top all the way connected into the footer. And this wall here is poured solid. Here you'll notice that we have the quality control marking that's done by our shell contractor, United Contractors. They do this as they're building the slab and the block. Inside, we're just about ready to finish up our framing. Should be done in the next 2 days. And up on top, look at this hand framing. See that? All hand framed for this archwork. And it's going to just be a magnificent statement for the owner. Front porch will eventually have brick pavers. Let's go on inside and I'll show you around a little bit what's going on in here. You can see here we've got, on the left side is going to be a spectacular den for the owner. All of this will get trimmed out. Really nice woodwork. On the wall, these strips right here, these are batten strips. This is where the drywall will eventually get screwed into those, and in between here, we're going to have insulation on the block walls as well. The windows will be going in 2 weeks, maybe earlier. We got to put bucks on all of the window openings, and then we'll go ahead and fur those in. Notice all of this framing is just turning out spectacular. Very high quality lumber that we're using here. We try to go through all of the lumber packages and call out the pieces of lumber that have nicks in them or knots or edges that just don't comply with our quality control. Walking into the master bedroom. Oh, let me show you this here. On either side of the openings, these are curtain blocks. So when you start trying to hang your curtains after the owner moves in, they're drilling into wood, not just into the concrete. And because we're building in Florida, you have this huge concrete lintel that goes over the sliding glass door. There'll be a transom on top of that. And eventually out back, we're going to have a swimming pool. This particular home site backs up to a lovely conservation area. So that's it for now. I'm Rick Bavec with Tolaris Homes. If you want to learn more about this home and watch it progress throughout the process, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Tolaris TV, helping build the great American dream.